Hey, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. A wonderful good morning to everyone. Or good evening to some of you. Marshall MMA, welcome. What is happening? Let's start the day off, shall we? Let's start the day off. All right. So what happened here? What just happened here? Okay. Okay. Glenn, what's up? What's going on? Let's check the higher time frames and see what's going on. We have a swing high not too far from here at 897. Oh, and I already see what's going on here on the 1 hour. All right. This one pretty much makes me want to go bullish. Open of this candle is 907.25 on the micro. Okay, so that could be a slash bearish order block. Bottom right. Okay. Let's put it to the top. Got it. Yonix, hey there. Good morning. Maggie, good to see you. And Naomi, good morning. Welcome, Naomi. All right, so we have some targets on the upside. We have a new day opening gap. Whoa! Kengis or Sengis? I'm gonna say K. Kengis, just subscribe. Thank you so much for joining to the stream and to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Crypto Panda is here. Oh, good to see you. What's going on? Sell model? Yeah, that could be. So we have the new day opening gap down there. We have some PM session levels from New York. I'm not sure. I would go with this as Asia low. I'm gonna go with this as Asia low here, the 811. So I'm gonna go with that. Good morning, Prince Sethi. Welcome. You think my TP will hit? Sent me a picture. Let me check. Oh yeah, you did. I think you have a good chance for it. 832. Absolutely. 832. Let's check it. Oh yeah, you have a very nice level there. 830. Oh yeah, absolutely, you have a good chance. Actually, I'm tempted to jump in. I'm tempted to jump in with you on that trade. Oh, this is also Asia high. I might jump in with you on that one. You know, just with a small trade. Just with a small, you know, so you don't feel yourself alone. All right, I jumped into a short myself, but I'm gonna target maybe. I'm just 2 micros in, so nothing special. I'm risking like $50 on it, and I'm looking for Asia low. To be honest, actually, let me look. 800. I think I can even see this going lower if we're lucky. So nothing special in this trade for me. It's just I'm just trying to look for the Asia low. That's all. If it's not going there, it's fine. It's perfectly okay. Now it's not going there. Jesus. Why is this always happening? There's a 5-minute level up there. The 56 that it might go up to. Consistent trader. Hey. It's a strong liquidity at 825. Yeah, there could be the case. Bookmap shows it. Yeah, it kind of looks okay for me, I guess. I close my short. Maybe I'm gonna wait a little bit for for price to maybe try to go for test the 56 area. Probe trade. And this was only on an eval, so. Ollie, what's up? Oh, definitely. But this time, I only took it on an eval. I did not touch the funded accounts yet. Small little supply zone there. Not sure if it wants to pick up orders from above 56, but we'll see. Good morning, Red, and Yokozuna is here. Oh yeah, the 825 is definitely. I'm sorry about that, Crypto Panda. Come on. And it's Trading Star in person. Oh, good to see you, man. How you been? I'm doing okay. A little bit slow, you know, but I'm doing okay. How you doing nowadays, Trading Star? Hope all is good. Hope the trades are going well. Doing great. You're in Sri Lanka. Jesus, dude, that is awesome. That must be beautiful. That has to be beautiful. I did really good yesterday. Had 5 accounts from $41 to $81 from being below. Wow, nice. You know, that's good. Whoa! Yeah, slowly bringing them back. As I said in the breakdown video yesterday, unfortunately, I managed to reach the daily loss limit on one of my funded accounts. Thank God I was not copy trading, and but I'm not going to lose that. I'm gonna trade that account only in New York and gonna go for 1 micro and try to get it back slowly. So, Farhad, what's up? What's up? With your family, nice. Ashevs is here. Hey, Ashevs. Good to see you back. Marco. 3 MyFundedFutures evals. Nice. Just take it slow, you know. Good luck with those, and, you know, let's go. I'm going to request another payout today, so I'm eligible for $1,200 payout as of yesterday, so I'm going to request it in the New York stream, and we're going to test it. How fast are they paying out? Last time they paid me out 10 minutes. It was 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to request it at the on the stream live, and we will see how fast are they going to pay me out, hopefully. So, yeah. Let's go. Molo, let's bump it. And Lorenzo, good to see you. Just build some drawdown and then mini. Oh, did minis. Oh, I see. I see. Well, you know. It's part of the things. Oh, thank you, Trading Star. Thank you. Yeah, so as I said in the last video yesterday, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So what I did is, my goal was always to have the 3 funded accounts with MyFundedFutures. And so the way I wanted to do it is to get at least 2 payouts from MyFundedFutures, and I wanted to buy a milestone account, which I did yesterday. So from the profits, which I don't have yet, but I have no doubts about MyFundedFutures, from the profits, I've already invested 440, how much is that? $440 or 45 into a 50K milestone account. So I reinvested part of the profits. So now I have 3 funded accounts, and I'm not going to lose that starter account. I'm going to do everything that I can to not lose that. I requested a payout today from Apex, only $740, because I'm skeptical if I'm going to get denied or not. But as far as my calculations go, if all goes well, I should be able to request $2,000 each on those Apex accounts. Not now, but most likely somewhere around the end of the month. So that would be awesome to get that $8,000. And I'm doing everything I can to use the proper risk management. And of course, I'm aiming for the rest of these as well. I have to trade on Tradeify too, because I definitely left that account alone. Look at that, we're going back to this level. Greg, what's going on, Greg? Vivian is here. Hello, Vivian. Thank you, Malo. You're in long? Yeah, so one of these patterns that I always watch is these supply or areas or bearish order block. So we can call this bearish order block or supply zone or whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. You know, pushed into liquidity, picked up orders, switched structure. Price many times tend to come back into the zone, you know, and pick up some orders here, and then hopefully for Crypto Panda it should be going down. No bueno discount. Bulenox. No bueno discount. The Bulenox discount is only at 45% currently. Seems like Apex and Bulenox, like they're pretty much following each other. To me, it seems like that both of them are just laying down in the trenches and watching each other and seeing which one of them would be doing a sale or something. But so far, Bulenox has no bigger sale. Only the 45% goes for option 2 accounts too, by the way, and for the big accounts as well. But don't go bigger than 100K. So no sales currently. Pretty much slow in terms of sales. This month is pretty much slow in promotions as well. So, you know, I think the best promo right now is MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. It's your target. Let's go. Boom! Oh my god, 482 times 6. Let's go, Malo. Live Bulenox. Oh, you have 6 accounts with Bulenox now. Scaled it up. Nice. Kirk called it Shirley. Hit that shit. Yeah, Bulenox copies Apex all the time. Like, they're almost like a direct replica of Apex. But day traders also, well, the daytraders.com is a little bit different. There's no monthly payment on the evaluation account, so that's good. I don't know if the 7% flash sale is still on, but I do trade with day traders, and you know, those are the guys who sued Apex. The 91% has ended for now, so if you still have accounts unfortunately blown up from that 91% sale, I suggest to keep them, because you're gonna get rebuild in 30 days with 91%. I always do that. Okay, so price reacted to this zone or order block. It could be going down again. This was the 5-minute, by the way. Looking for a target here. Nothing special. That's a rep. Thank you. It was a good job. Good job, Malo. That's how you do it. You know, put on the trade and go on. It's 80%. Hey, Balaj. You know, I just got rebuild on the 91% sale on Bulenox, and let me check it. Let me check it. I have to look at my statement here, because I just got rebuild. So how much is that? Is that hold on. No, I got rebuild $15.75. $15.75 on the Bulenox accounts that were blown. So it was still 91 or 90. At least on my end. You got your bases covered. Yeah, whoever wins the lawsuit, we're just going on with the other prop firm. Bowser, what's up? Move to Mexico? Ooh. How do you get paid in different country for MyFundedFutures? Is Mexico on the banned list? I don't even know. I think it's still through Rise. So is Mexico still on that or is it on that list? I don't even know. Yeah, Apex is yes. Apex for the second month, it's yes, it's 80%. It's only for the first month. That's true, Balaj, you guys are the one. Yeah. that's true. For Apex it's 80%. I don't know, man. This one looks a little bit interesting here. I'm actually a little bit tempted to go long and take out the 66 there. I might gonna scalp it. I'm sorry, Crypto Panda. I might gonna try to scalp the. Actually, I entered the scalp trade, trying to go for 65 there. And trying to get the top of that supply area. If it goes. Oh, Rise there. Okay, so Rise is mostly there. I'm scalping only on an evaluation account. So only on evaluation account now, because I still have no clean levels that I like. What else is here? I'm watching the 15-minute, nothing that I like. Of course, we have the new day opening gap down there, so that makes us want to go short. I'm just curious if it tries to, you know, take out the zone here. If not, it's fine too. I might gonna target the Asia low for the next trade. So here it is. Just trying to scalp that zone high. That's it. That's all I'm looking at. Evaluation account, so no sweat. Looks good to target on higher time frame. 900. Yeah, so I have a buy side liquidity marked up at 97, and we have a 1 hour supply slash order block zone, very short block at 907, so that's good too. Kind of liking it. And Reza Banks, the man of the hour, is here. Good morning. Look at gold. Oh my god, I wanted to look at gold. What's happening? Let's do a quick markup on gold. Quickly. Where's the mid? There's the new day. Let's do yesterday midnight. Okay. Previous day high. I want to see it. All right, previous day high and previous day low down there. All right, nice. Okay, so this is gold, and we have a midnight price. All right. Pretty much swept the Asia lows, right? I feel like gold wants to go higher. What do you guys think? I might even jump into a long on gold. Let me see. I'm taking maybe a small long position on gold. Not sure. But yeah. What's up with this here? Satoshi is here. Good morning. And Eduardo, welcome. Welcome to the stream. What's happening? I'm just trading on an evaluation now. I just want to, you know, feel the market a little bit, what's happening. And yeah, so far that's it. So far that is it. I remember that the first week of the year we had some pretty nice price action. I wonder if I wonder how's the New York session gonna go today. Partially because of what Trump is gonna do on his second day. Maybe he's gonna sign some more executive orders or something. Who knows? I was reading news like the big players were pretty much on the edge of their seats in the financial sector, waiting for what's the president gonna do. Not trading London in my funded account this year. Trading. Yeah, exactly. That's what we see many times. Unfortunately, it turns out to be a chop fest many times. Yeah. Also, yeah, but yesterday New York session was partially almost a chop fest, like it was for from 10 a.m. to 11. Yeah, it was crazy. Price action is not the same anymore. Anyway, oh yeah, gold is going down now. Cool. How far can it go? Still have some levels on the downside on gold as well. This one shifted, so that's cool. Could go down all the way to 59, I guess. Anyway, let's get back to NQ and see what's happening. Good morning, Tudor. I don't know yet what to look on gold because it pretty much seems like it can go both ways. We had a pump because he said, "Oh, 500 billion." Yeah, I heard that 500 billion for AI. I was like, "What? That's a lot of money for AI." But hey, who am I to judge? If they want to put money into AI, I guess Terminator will be a thing. You know. I just hope they're not gonna call it Skynet or something because then we're doomed. The AI is gonna learn from the movie and it's gonna do it real time. I am actually really concerned. Obviously, I'm not gonna be alive by then because I think it's gonna be in the far future. I think, but I'm really concerned about the future of humankind because of artificial intelligence. Yeah. So I think that's a real danger, in my opinion. Camille is here. Welcome. Hey, Camille, what's happening? Looking for an AI girlfriend. You know, I think that's also part of the future. You know, AI girlfriend, boyfriend, you know, that's gonna be part of the future. I mean, most likely the far future, but it's gonna happen. Gold looking bullish. Yeah, they already have that in Japan. Oh yeah, gold is looking bullish. All right, I entered gold with a 1 micro, only 1 micro, nothing special. Officially done. You have to shut it down, Malo. You have to shut it down and go to sleep. Go to sleep, man. you have to shut that down and go to sleep. Good job there, Will. Good job. So I'm only looking for this supply zone to be broken. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Rest up. You did good. You did good. Okay, what I'm going to do, I have to reduce the risk, obviously. So I'm reducing risk. And yeah. I'm also reducing risk on this gold trade. Okay. So on gold, I'm also looking for, well, I don't know. I'm looking for the 69, 70. Yeah, it's fine up there. So I'm just looking for this zone to be broken. Same scenario. Yeah. Japan has forward thinking, you know. They already know what the people want. Okay. Well, seems like we're stopped here. All right, the gold trade is also going up. Nice. Oh, here it is. But I reduced the risk on that gold. I'm actually thinking maybe, I don't know, because it can still pick up liquidity down there. But do I want to be? It's only 6 points. I'm not gonna move it to break even yet. Small trade, small trade. Uh-oh. Doesn't look good now. It's not gonna pick up liquidity down there. And gold is still there. Who knows for how long. And so far that's it. So the plan on NQ is to pick up some orders at the top of the zone on the 5 minute. This is the 5 minute. That's it. But we still have volume imbalance. By the way, let's check on, oh yeah, it looks good. Looks good. We have the same 5 minute volume imbalance down there at 843, so it can take the elevator anytime. I think it has a good chance for it. It can take the elevator anytime. Careful. The elevator is coming. All right. Gold trade is so far holding up. Elevator down, sorry. So we could see an elevator down to reprice and rebalance completely the 843. We have the same spot we have the same spot on the mini too, right here on the 5 minute. Now, if this would be on the 1 minute, I would not be too much concerned. But since we see this here on the 5 minute on both mini and micro, that's going to be an interesting level for later. We're just going to have it for later. And the same here on the micro. There you go. So this could be interesting. This could be interesting. So even if it takes my profit up there, I would be looking for the elevator down. Uh-oh. Your stop loss is my TP. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not saying anything. I'm just... you know, maybe we both can get away with this. You know, I just take the 65 and... Actually, you know what? This can help you, Crypto Panda. I'm going to put my trade to break even. Like this. And when I do this, price immediately drops down. So I can help you out with this if you're down to it. So when I do this, usually there's a 90% chance that price is going to drop down. I do it for the community, you know. So Nasdaq, now the market makers see it. Everybody's calling everyone, you know, the big boys, you know, messaging each other. Like, hey, Tom has put the trade to break even, you know, turn it around immediately. So I think it should work out. Look at that. It should be working now. It should. Maybe not. Still in the gold. It usually works. It usually always, when you know, I put my stop loss to break even and it immediately goes into my stop. That always works. It's gonna go higher this time, yeah. Hate it when it misses my TP by a few things. It happens to me all the time. All the time. And I always try to, so that's why I try to put my TP always earlier and earlier. So like last year, I also put my TP a few ticks before the level. Ticks. Now I'm putting it a few points before the level. And I have to even reduce more, like lower or higher or whatever, you know, just I'm trying to take early TP as much as I can, because obviously at a significant level there's always some early profit taking by the big players. And oh, well, did it go higher? Did it go? I hope Crypto Panda is still in. I do it for the culture. I close on my funded accounts when it's near to TP and playing around. Yeah. My finger is on the flat button as well many times. And when I see it wiggling before the TP, I just say, F it, I'm closing it. I don't care. I'm not giving it back. So, oh no. Out of coffee. No coffee. No. That's it. Stop loss hit. Ooh. Good thing was an eval. It's already passed. Why are you trading on an eval that's already passed? 75 loss. That's cool. That's cool. That's you know, that's all right then. That is all right then. I still have the gold trade on. I don't have high hopes for it. I think it might go down to 59. It has some trouble going higher, so I might close it manually. Only one micro. I'm risking like, I don't even know, 30 bucks or 20 so on an eval, so I'm not really concerned about the gold trade. Okay, so this zone has been, well, we can say that it has been taken out. Looking for a possible shift here to the downside. If we're not gonna shift, that's all right too. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. You have these levels, 907. So all the way up to the 900. If you look at the 1 hour, this is not the 1 hour. I don't know what I'm doing with the charts. Sorry if I get you guys dizzy. So on the 1 hour, there's a very shorter block at 907 and a another supply area. Activation fees too expensive. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, just the same as. So I wonder if TopStep is gonna do something about their activation fees as well. I mean, I think currently Bulenox and TopStep are the most expensive in activation fees on the 50k account. So, I mean, from the big prop firms, I mean, Bulenox is not that big. I mean, it's big, but not the biggest one. But the other ones, you know, having 130, 85, 125, and such. Some of them none. So MyFundedFutures has no. But interesting. They should do something about that. Looks like it's still going higher. My gold trade is in drawdown again. I mean now. Let me check something on gold real quick. So on gold, there is another there's a demand area down at 59. I mean, it might go there if it makes a displacement to the downside. I would say 59 could be a target. Let's see what NQ does. Sorry, just a second. Phone call. Oh, I forgot to pick that. Okay. Szia, mi újság? Oké, már is. Jó, kint vagyok. Okay. Sorry guys, have to leave you for 2 minutes. I have to pick something. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Just 2 minutes. All right, we're back. I'm sorry. Had to meet with someone. But we still have time until the London Open, so nothing to do until then anyway. All right. Well, I don't know. Seems like we might go down to fill that imbalance. Look at that. How far is that? Good for a 10-point scalp. See? That is down at, where is it? 43. What is it on the mini? On the mini, it starts at 43.75. Excuse me. Man. Is this gonna try to rebalance it? Oh, but the gold trade just took me out. No problem. $30 loss. Gold actually just took the elevator, going to 59, I think. Yeah, you can pretty much go down to 59. Five minutes away from London Open. Sonia, hey there. 820 support, some weakness. Yeah, could be. Going there. I agree. We'll see what the London Open will hold. Will hold. I meant to say, but it was close. It was close to rebalance that level. Paul, hey there. Good evening. How you doing, Paul? Doing great. All right. Happy to hear that. I'm glad to hear it. Payout. So until we wait, I'm going to show you guys that here is the payout that I'm going to request in the New York session. The reason is because they don't have business hours right now. So if you request a payout during business hours, it should be very fast. So I'm going to request 1200 on MyFundedFutures, and we'll see how much time. Last time it was 10 minutes. Hey Thunder. Hey, good morning. Next level should touch 892. 892. Yeah, but yeah, you know, the first, I mean, I was just watching this imbalance that it might go down and try to reprice it. So I have also requested a payout from Apex, but there is a very good chance that I'm gonna get denied because I know that once I went below the 30% rule, so that's gonna be interesting. But I think there's like a 90% chance that I'm gonna get denied on Apex. But it's fine because I still need to build up some more capital. But I just need to know. And you know, when you get denied on Apex, the period of the 8 trading days is actually resetting. So I can just continue to trade, and this time, you know, use proper risk management, and you know, ask for a payout next time, which is fine because the goal is to build up more capital. Hey, thanks for dropping in, Sonia. Thank you for being here. Have a good one. Hope to see you next time. Oh, look at that. Let's see. London Open is almost here. Almost here. And here we are at London Open. Whoa. Look at that push. What a push here. Oh, it might gonna sweep out that that supply zone up there. Pretty good chance for it, right? What a push. Interesting. And relative equal highs up there, so equal highs are at 66. It didn't go through the 66 yet. It might just go. Yeah, the 30% sucks. Yeah, obviously. But it was my mistake actually, because I was letting a trade to a drawdown. The drawdown was above $1,000, and so I know I violated the rule on one trade because I added up to the position, and I wasn't really watching carefully, and it just slipped above $1,000. And at that moment, I knew that it's gonna suck. So no problem. I'm just gonna keep on trading, and it is what it is. Obviously, I have to practice better risk management in the future, and that's it. There's no way around it. Yeah, exactly. Like, and you know, I say it on the voice of Morgan Freeman. It was at this moment I knew. Yeah. Or it was at this moment that he knew that it's gonna suck. You know, the voice in my head sounded like Morgan Freeman. It was at this moment he knew. Everything you place is reduced to 30% drawdown line. Oh, it's helpful. Nice. It's good actually that they put on an indicator for that. I'm not sure if there is such an indicator. Maybe there is an indicator for NinjaTrader or Quantower or whatever. Nintendo, welcome, 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 welcome. I got denied. I was 1.5, cost 1k. I come back again 2k. That again 2k denied. Oh, that's not good. Well, I had a scalp to the upside here earlier. That was okay. And then I was watching if price wants to go down and rebalance that level, but there was nothing that I took there. I also took a very... Whoa, what's happening? Martman just subscribed to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. So I tried to go long on gold, but only with one micro. But instead, it decided that it wants to go down to 59, which I think it will. So gold should be hitting the 59. But the range is too tight, so I'm not jumping in there. Now that we have swept these levels, I'm expecting NQ to go down, actually. I know it sounds weird. And obviously we have some very, very, very good bullish levels. We'll see. No. I was trading NQ. I was just watching on gold. So the reason why I took the scalp was this zone here. Bearish order block. Sorry. How can I? Bearish order block or supply zone here at 105 and the 110 candle on the 5-minute. Pushed up there into liquidity, shifted structure. Especially when there is not enough volume and we're hovering close and it started to push, usually these levels getting broken, and that's what happened actually. Well, my TP was earlier, so I hit the TP. My TP was at 65, so I hit it here. But now I have a feeling that we might just go down here. Took a short to scalp. Very, very small position. Looking for 44. Yeah. Risk reward is way off. But who knows? Looking for the volume imbalance. Since not much happened in this session so far, I'm just hoping that it will fill that volume imbalance down there. If not, who knows? Obviously, it could be finishing the move here and we can move up. The 900 level is a very, very good one up there. So I'm just I'm just fooling around here on this range. So this is just a consolidation here on the 5 minute. It's not the best area to be trading. Technically the 5 minute shifted structure again to the upside, but only with the wick. But it swept those levels, so I'm not sure. There's an Asia high up there. Hey Claudia, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. It might not go down. I was just aiming for the volume imbalance. Okay. Feels difficult right now. A little bit difficult. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Chop suey, yeah. We're in a chop suey again. What? Tumper. Hey, just subscribe. Thank you so much for the subscriptions there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining the stream and the channel. Don't worry, I'm usually a great trader. Except when I'm not. But hey, good news. If some of you guys missed yesterday's breakdown, secured $1,200 payout again from MyFundedFutures. So I'm going to request it live on the stream. Last time it took about 10 minutes for them to approve and pay out. So we'll see how much time is it going to take now. So that was great. Da, 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 da. Oh man. Well, if this one is just gonna keep on going, it's fine, no problem. I'll be perfectly okay. But let's just, oh yeah, we have the new day opening gap down there as well, so that can hold us a little bit down if we want to go long. So far we are in the chop, so we are in a range. The only thing that happened is we picked some liquidity from this swing highs, but we still don't know what's gonna happen. No clear movement, and the NQ is just clearly unplugged. Mr. JT in the house. JT, what's going on? No problem there. You see, it's not just me who cannot type, you know. How you doing there, Joalma? What's happening? Any trades this morning or evening? Morning, yeah, you're in the morning with me here. What is happening? Been good? Awesome, awesome, awesome. From the gym? Cool. I wish I could. I mean, I go to the gym today. Yesterday I was in the gym. Today I'm gonna go to the gym. The best would be if I could go to the gym for 6 a.m. as I did years ago. I was at the gym opens at 4 a.m. At least the one that I was going to. So I was sitting in the car at 5:50 you know, waiting for the door to be opened, and I was amongst the few first ones. Like you guys should have seen like a few people sitting in the car at the gym, at the front door of the gym, and waiting for them to open up. And when we saw that they're opening up, everybody out of the car into the gym. 6 a.m. Nice, nice. Yeah, 4 a.m. is, yeah. There's a gym also here that, well, it's not near to me, but it's open from 4 a.m. exactly. It opens at 4 a.m. because many people are super early birds, and they want to finish until 6 or 7 a.m. And there's another gym, but that's far from me. That's 24/7. So you can go and be there at 2 a.m. if you want to, or 1 a.m. Actually, there's quite a lot of people at 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. in the gym. I was surprised. Once I've been there like 2 years ago, and it was 1:30 a.m. and quite a few people were there. Interesting though. Mostly in the capital, in Budapest. So mostly there because, you know, a lot of people there. But Cedric, hey, audio. All right. Drive safely. Have a good trip. 24/7. Oh, you have 24/7. Yeah. So in my city, we don't have 24/7. There is one that opens at 4 a.m. But in another city, not too far, there is a 24/7 gym. In Budapest, there's also like a few 24/7 gyms. Oh yeah, yeah. We'll do that, Jalma. I actually started to filter out some videos and some topics, and I did some pre-editing, and just to show you what I'm looking for, and you will have some guidance. So I live about 90 kilometers, 90, but we have the highway right next to me. We have the highway, so you know, even if I drive slowly, like you can drive slowly on a highway, but with normal speed, I can get to Budapest in like 30-35 minutes tops. If the traffic is okay with normal speed, I can be there in 30 minutes. So it's okay. Definitely. Good morning, Raphael. You can always cap. Nice. You know, that's all that matters. Well, looks like my trade is going to the dumpster here. Yeah, almost out. Yeah, I'm out. Out from that trade. I'm flat now. I have nothing on. It might want to go for the Asia high at 77. Can that be possible? It looks like it might want to break that. Not sure though. But it seems like to me. How far is it from 70? Well, it could be going for it. It was very close to take that level. It can actually create a relative equal highs up there. Didn't go for the 75 yet. Let's wait and see. The highway speed 130 kilometer per hour is the maximum. No. I'm not traveling 90 kilometers. My gym is like 2 kilometers from here. Sometimes I go there by cycle or I just run on the summer. You know, I just take a quick run. And by the time I get there, I already have the cardio finished. So it's 2 kilometers from me. Very close. Now that it's cold, I take the car, but it's close. Well, it depends, you know. 90 kilometers in 30 minutes, like. Depends, you know. 90 kilometers is like, I would say, at, you know, I'm not in the center of Budapest, but I can, you know, reach the outer perimeter of Budapest. That's for sure. All right, that's maybe not 130. I'm sorry, but yeah, still, I mean, the outer perimeter, you know, from here, as yeah, that's true. But I have to, yeah, that's true. But all right, I usually I step into it when I go to the highway. I like to speed. No, I don't like. I'm not gonna say that I'm like speeding, but sometimes I do go over the limit a little bit. Maybe I'm not watching the speedometer all that much. But yeah. All right, so we took out Asia high or previous day high. That is awesome. Quick check on gold because I'm still a bit confused of what this one wants to do. Seems like it might want to go for that 96 there. I don't know who's up for it. The problem is that the range is not good. Oh yeah, sure. My own Lambo. I wish. I mean, nothing bad with Lambos. I'm not a Lambo person, but Obviously, I would, if I would, people are asking, oh, don't tell me you would be crying with a Lambo. I say no, I would be super happy with a Lambo. If someone would give me a Lambo, I would definitely drive it for a few weeks, maybe, just to flash around, And after that, I would be selling it, most likely. Because I wouldn't be driving it as a daily. And I don't need it for a daily driver. Very, very nice job. Good job, our chefs. Congratulations. Nice. Yeah. That's 180. Yeah, but let me show you. Let me show you what I'm thinking. I have Google Maps here. And I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking here. So usually when I get into the city, it's at this. I'm gonna show you in just a second. Okay, so here it is. Here's where I live. I'm gonna show you exactly. So here it is. That's Budapest up there. And this is the highway. This is the highway I take. So this is where I am. I go on the highway. It says 71.4 kilometers, so I was wrong. It's not 90. But if I go, closer to the city, I usually, when I do stuff, it's around this district. I don't really go into the center because I don't have much to do there. But if I go, I take the highway, 71.4 kilometers. And yeah, definitely. So not 90, sorry, 71.4 kilometers. And it says 45 minutes with normal speed, but yeah. I know I can get there in 30, 35. I said 35 minutes I can get here into this area to Budapest. When I have some stuff to do around this place, I go shop something or I do something. I have some obligations that I used to visit some friends here. So that takes me around 35 minutes to get from here to up there. So yeah. Obviously, if I want to get into the center, that's going to take me 80 kilometers, 52 minutes if I want to go to the center, right? So I'm actually not far. Yeah. Yeah, you can. You can. Taking screenshots. You're shorting? Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely I do, Smiley. Yes. 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 But so yeah, usually when I go to Budapest, to that district, that area that I have friends and stuff to do, it takes me about 35 minutes when the traffic is normal. 35, maybe not 30, but 35. I can get there if the traffic is normal and I keep the 130 or higher a little bit. All right, look at this. There was a small shift here. I'm also looking into maybe a bit of a short on this market structure shift. All right, entering a short. Entering a short and targeting 844. My entry is 72.50. I might even add one more to this trade. Yeah, I'm looking for 44. If it's not gonna go down, it's perfectly fine. It's not there. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, let's check it. If I look at the midnight on New York Eastern Standard, which is here, I would say this could be the high. But if you look at the, I always look at the New York level. Excuse me. So I don't know. Yeah, I know, Ezekiel. Well, we have the new day opening gap still down there, and we have some levels and demand areas waiting to be taken out. And that's the reason for my short. We swept liquidity. We took out the Asia high, so it's not a big of a deal here. I'm just looking for. I'm still bullish on the big picture. I'm just looking for it to retest those levels. That's it. Yeah, that's Asia high. That's Asia high, but let's look at yesterday. So yesterday midnight, from here to all the way up there to here, that was before midnight New York. Now you guys know I trade ICT concepts or smart money, and according to smart money concepts, the new day starting from New York midnight level. So in between these two, this was yesterday high. But obviously, if we look at the only the candle itself, then that's true. It's not the same. Hold on. It might take me out. It seems like. Not trusting this. You're in long. Let's go. Obviously, the longs are. It seems like a bullish day. So, and we have 897 still above us. So there's a good chance that we're gonna break that. It's not far. It's like 20 points away. I think it can take it. Super easy. So we'll see. And obviously we still have time, plenty of time from the kill zone. But yeah, maybe the final goal would be 897 here. I might even close my trade. Oh, ES swipe the highs. Yeah, unfortunately, I think it's pulling it up there still. Unfortunate for me, but Tomasz says it's buys. Let's go. Yeah, I think so too, that I'm offside again. What a shame. Yeah, yeah, we could be. Well, at least I know I'm offside, and we'll look for something else for later. It is what it is. Totally forgot that. Where was the first presentation gap here? Okay. For later reference. Oh no. It's happening. Unfortunately for me. We'll see. Well, it was, if you look at this on the 1 minute, it's a classic 2022 entry model after sweeping the highs. So I didn't do anything wrong with it. I was doing everything according to the plan and to my bias. Obviously, if I'm offside, then it's not going to work out. But if I'm on side, then it can work out still. So I don't know. I'm not closing it. I'm okay with the risk. I'm risking very small on this, like $50 or something. It's all right. It's Martin. It's too early yet, so it's way too early. Way too early. Yeah, we'll see. It seems like the Bulls are still very active, and they might want to push it up to that 97 level, which I'm afraid of. So anyway, yeah, look at that. Darn it. Do we have some news in the London session? Nothing heavy. Okay. Lagarde is speaking. Oh my god, that's not good. That's not good. That's not what we want. That can mess up the algorithm. Or spoke. Oh. Well, it doesn't matter if she speaks for EU. It has the ripple effect on the US markets as well. If she's gonna say something crazy, you know, it can have a ripple effect. As far as I've been told by some people who are trading fundamentals, I mean, depends on what she's saying. You know, if she's speaking about recession or rates or stuff like that, that can have some ripple effects. We'll see. No, it used to affect. It used to affect. Something crazy happens, then it can. As I said, it could have some ripple effect. No, I don't use it. I don't use it. No Lambo move. Actually, I think the more it's gonna go sideways, the more possibility is that it's gonna sweep those highs, unfortunately. This one should have already been trading below 67 and it's not doing it, so I don't like it. Oh, I see. I see. Maybe. I don't know. The more it goes sideways, the more it's gonna be in jeopardy. So I don't think it's gonna go down now. It's accumulating positions to push it higher. Look at that. It's gonna push it to yeah, unfortunately it's gonna push it to what's the level? 97 and then 907 to the 900s then most likely. What a bummer. Well, I tried. Yeah, there you go. I tried. I really tried. But it's not doing it. You know, if this one's keep pushing, then it should be taking out the 95. You know, at least. I'm not sure what's the high on the mini. The high on the mini is 96.75. Interesting. So that's why 95 would be a level. To go to on this one. Anyway, I'm gonna watch this closely and see what happens. There's a 907. I mean, there's an order block starting at 907. Not sure what it wants to do here. Yeah, losses are business expense. That's true. 22K without revisiting could be. Yeah. Still watching it, but I think I'm gonna stay on the sidelines for a bit and just trying to observe this move. Maybe could go for a scalp for that swing high, but and it's also good to see that we have the order block up there on the 1 hour, but there is a level down at 80, no, 76 volume imbalance. It might want to do a down close candle to rebalance that price. Waiting 90% on Apex. Well, I don't know when there's gonna be the next sale. I have no idea. Yeah, there should be some resistance here. Yeah, there should be some resistance at least. Interesting though. 700-ish day up 433. Let's go, Thumper. That is awesome. Awesome. Thanks for dropping it, by the way. Oh, for 150K. I see. Hey, that's whatever account you go with, like making profits like this on a day, that is excellent. That is just excellent. Yeah, it looks like it might want to go for that 97. Whoa, look at that. Maybe all the way up to 907. It's not far. So what's it gonna be, NASDAQ? What's it gonna be? Yeah, it could happen. It could happen, Ollie. I'm still trying to figure this out. Like, what the heck is the issue for? It's pretty bad that I was offside here, but I saw no specific levels that I could enter for a long. Maybe, maybe yeah. After the London Open on this inversion, all the way up, that could have been the pattern to go with. Oh, you're break even from 75. Good job. Well, I'm flat. I am flat. Actually, I'm in a bit of a loss here. Let me check it. I am down $46 on one evaluation account, which is okay. I have not traded on the MyFundedFutures account, and I did copy trade for 3 Apex accounts on the short, but I managed to recover a little bit, so I'm down $17 on 3 funded accounts each, $17. So small loss here, but I'm not going to force it. I'm not gonna do the same mistake like yesterday. So yesterday, the exact same thing. Like, it was going up, I was attached to the shorts, and it was keep going higher. I was forcing entries. Like this entry here, I wasn't forcing it. This was a proper entry. So this is fine. I'm okay with it. But, you know, starting to get short on every single down close candle with the displacement, that would be aggressive. So this one is in the cards. That's fine. But otherwise no. That was the mistake I made yesterday. That was the reason for one of my MyFundedFutures account went to the daily loss limit. See you later, Ashefs. Thank you so much for being here. Sonia, thank you for being here. See you next time. Satoshi closed the long. Oh, it's not okay. Now we can drop. Now it's time to drop. You're never leaving me. All right, Kirk. We need 899. I would be taking profit at 96 if I were you, but anyway, it's your decision, Michael. The mini has a high at 96. Keep that in mind. If we pop the 96, we could see a pullback. Just be careful there. $94, 2 to 1 risk reward. So that's fine. Okay. Well, we'll see what the 4 a.m. open will hold. Liquidity void at 75. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's true. Oh yeah. Look at the 5-minute as well. I'm gonna mark that up on the micro here. Actually, you know what? Oh, the mini has it too. Wow. And look at 63. Quite a few liquidity voids. I like that. I like that. On the mini, there is one at 63. I like it. Okay, first is going to take out the 96. So the open of this candle is 63.75. Open is 62. Okay, 63.75. I'm going to put a line there. That's the area for the mini. That's why I'm marking it that way. So I'm always looking for the closer one. Okay, I think we popped the 96, right? No, we didn't. Oh yeah, we did. We popped 96 here on the mini. Be careful. How far is this? 27 points. Yeah, the mini took it out, right? The mini only took out 96. Yeah, only 96 on the mini. But the micro took out 96.75. Quite interesting. Yes, that's true. So mhm. Mhm. This might be a possible turning point. Especially if it wants to make relative equal highs. No, not really. I mean, it's not a rule or something. Not really. So Ollie, it's like it depends on how the market is behaving. So it's not necessarily needed. So there's no specific rule for that. Usually, when there is like a slow movement like this, and there's a significant level like this 97 on the micro and 96.75 on the mini, I try to look at it like I consider the mini heavier because of the contract sizes, but if the mini takes it and the micro doesn't because of one tick difference, maybe I would consider it that it has been swept. ICT says even one single tick, can change the whole algorithm. Or I can look at it like in this scenario, like it's exactly at the point to break it, but it didn't really break that just by one tick. So it can create a relative equal high for later. So what if this one wants to make a relative equal high, wants to drop down, take out all these levels, sweep liquidity, and then for later, maybe in New York session, it might go for the equal highs. We saw that many times before. So that's also a possible or a possibility, I guess. So maybe, you know, I'm not sure, but could be a scenario. Netflix at 1K. Wow. Micros is, yeah, the commission is definitely higher. Exactly. Yeah, no problem, Ollie. It's just a personal preference, by the way, so no strict rule for it. So we have the equity open. It dropped down a little bit. I mean, entered to a short position with 1 micro. I'm gonna add one more, maybe, but not sure. I don't even have a stop loss on yet. Actually, I have a stop up there at 95.50. Nothing special. I'm only looking for this to go down to 63.50, 75 actually. So nothing special. Actually, I'm thinking that maybe if it would get down there, maybe I would just target some levels lower. It's only 1 micro, but it's on the funded accounts, and it has been copied for 3 accounts currently. So I might go into, if it's gonna go down to 63.75. No, what was that? What was the level? Yeah, 63.75. And I might keep it as a runner. I don't know. 96, but I always take my TPO. Well, that's good. That's good. Let's go. Where is my trade? Oh, here it is. So I might add one more micro here, like this, and that is it. How far can it go down? All right. Okay, that's it. If not, I tried. I tried. Missed by 2 ticks. Oh. Well. Gym today? Yeah, yeah, I'm going to the gym. Just like yesterday. Today as well. And maybe tomorrow as well. So yeah, have to go. Have to go to the gym. To have a max risk per trade rule. I heard. I have no idea. I haven't been following FTMO lately, so no idea. No idea. Suphem is here. Hey, hello there. What's going on? Hello, hello. What is happening? Okay. Let's go. Well, what can I say? I'm still not yet that profitable. So I just started to do this Excel sheet. The idea from Kami Capital. He posted this. I'm gonna write down the cost of my funded accounts, and I'm gonna do a separate table here that I'm gonna write how much money I spent on evaluations and activation fees on the failed accounts, per prop firm. This is not finished yet. I'm just starting to collect every information. I'm gonna modify it and write down everything. So overall, I'm gonna request a payout today, another 1,200. So overall, seemingly I'm up $832, but I know I've spent some money on Bulenox evaluations as well, and I did reset Apex accounts. So this number should be somewhere in the negative, I think, even though I took payouts. So the one thing I did is I bought a milestone account from MyFundedFutures for $445, because that was the goal, to take some of the profit and buy a funded account and trade with that too. And I have the new Bulenox accounts. The Apex accounts are looking good. Requested a payout from Apex too, but most likely I'm gonna get denied. The Tradeify, and I'm gonna do a separate Excel sheet, and I will write down how I'm doing with Take Profit Trader with the evaluations that I'm working on. So these are only the fundeds, and I'm gonna do a separate one when I write down how I'm doing with the evaluation. So if you're asking if I'm profitable, I am definitely not profitable. I am not profitable. Crude is skyrocketing. Uh-oh. What the hell? All right. All right. Well, it seems like my trade is not looking good. It would be interesting to see how the numbers will add up if we calculate on how much money we spent on evaluations and activation fees. Sorry. Oh no. Oh no. Well, it's over. It's over. I tried. We're still going for that 900. I was offside here. This structure shift, I was hoping that we will just go down and revisit some levels, but I was wrong. I was wrong about this one again. Yeah, that's it. Not happy. I am not happy. Yeah. Definitely not happy about this, but what can I do? Yeah, I was trading micro. Yeah, cloud. Yeah, there's. It seems like Rob is asking if there's buy side. I think the 1 hour supply or very short block at the 907 level could be still, you know, a possible area that it wants to go to. Just want to pay out. Yeah, maybe. Look at that now. Wow. What a dirty. This was the manipulation, maybe. And now it could be distributing lower. It has technically inverted this gap here. Hmm. Look at that. Swept liquidity. Swept the liquidity. And then inverted this gap. I don't know. Hard to read. Now it's going back up. I'm telling you, this is hard to read. They stopped the shorts out. That could be also like like Martin said, there was no manipulation after the equity open. There was a manipulation, inverted this, and now it might want to go down. Not sure. Turtle soup. I was actually thinking the same as well. Could this be the turtle soup? Yeah, this was a very strong rejection. That's true, DR. As the indicator, you can plot 2 more candles on chart. Maybe you can plot 3 hourly candles. Oh, well, that's good. I don't know if I want it, but you know, maybe that's a good idea, Martin. It's easier to spot, you say. Don't harm the turtles. Yeah. I don't know how I could have done anything differently. So far, my analysis or my trade entry was okay there. I'd say I did an okay entry there. Maybe I left out some steps from the equation. A little bit frustrating now, but it's part of the business. Yeah, we have a chance for it now. It seems like it's just going up, and no, it's just not doing any sort of repricing. Oh, use this code hourly opening price. Highlights opening prices from hourly open. That's actually could be useful. Yeah, buy side has been taken. Well, we'll see what happens here. I'm still a little bit frustrated about this situation. It's not helping my confidence, you know, to see that I was really hoping for that the shorts, and it just didn't go through. Anyway, I guess just have to wait some more. Maybe next time, right? Yeah. Can you take only 4 payouts? You can take 4 payouts and then you're moved to live account. So you can then take as many payouts as you want. So yeah. Bullet moves, yeah. Sit on the hands. That's what we can do. Still frustrating though. Exactly. The next bus is coming, so exactly, the trend is your friend. Trying to figure out something else here. By the way, what's happening on gold? Haha, look at that. Look at that. Gold. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It feels like NQ is not done yet. It's not done yet. It wants to go for that 900 still. We're so close. She's gonna take it. A live works number 2K payout. Yeah, if you hit the 3K, you're gonna get $2,000 on a payout. Yes. So that's the simplicity of the milestone account. Just make $3,000 in profit. You're gonna get 2,000 from MyFundedFutures. That's one milestone. You do the same thing again, so you can do it 4 times, or 3 times, or 4 times, and you're gonna be moved to a live account. That's how simple it is. No daily loss limits, and that's it. That's how simple. That's how simple. If you want to check out if it has a payout, just type in my code if you want to buy some. It might give you a 5%, I'm not sure. But yeah. The live account is basically works like a live account. You can request the payout any day. At least that's what they were saying on Discord, and also Matt, the CEO of MyFundedFutures, said you can take a payout any day. You don't have to wait for payout windows or minimum trading days or whatever. It's basically like a personal live account. As long as your balance is in the positive, you can take out as much as you want and leave as much as you want as safety threshold. It's up to you. No consistency rule. Yeah. You're basically being paid by the market. So no consistency, complete freedom on the live account. Because that is actually a live cash account. So It's your own risk what you do there. It's not the prop firm's risk anymore. You can do what you want on your live funded account. Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna take the 900 here. It does look like it. Not sure though. Yeah, it didn't take the 900 there. Interesting. So nothing can be done to be sure until, well, I don't know. Because of your trade, let's go. Little bit of a disappointment for my shorts here. I mean, I really wanted to see them happen, but it didn't. I'm not sure if it wants to pop the 900. Usually when the price is so close to a round number, a whole number, then it usually likes to pop it just to see the reaction. And we still have time from the kill zone, so it might do that if you don't blow your live account. Yeah, prop firm prefer if you don't blow your live account. That's true, because yeah, that's true. That's true. According to their CEO, they're saying they moved like 60 or 70 people to live account in 2024. So that's not a lot of people. 70 people. 70 traders are being moved to live accounts. That's not a lot. I thought the number is going to be way much, or way more. So is this going to pop the 900, or what's happening here? There you go. So that was the reason, one of the reasons why it didn't work out. And we actually popped the 907 1 hour supply level. Don't know what to say about this. I am actually disappointed in today's trading. I mean, Disappointed him. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I am actually disappointed. Disappointed because I'm just confused about my trade analysis. I mean, yes, we outlined this level, but I told you, Michael. Michael was right. Okay, 299. I'm down. I'm down, Michael. I know, I know. I'm down for it. I think that's approximately 2 months of new live traders with Top Step. Yeah. Oh, Satoshi has a cheaper course. I'm gonna go with Satoshi. I know. I'm gonna go with Satoshi here. Okay, so we popped that level. Where do we go from here? All right. Thanks, Ollie. Good to see you again. And have a good one. See you the next time. Patrick Neal. I heard about him, but I haven't really checked too much about his stuff, so I have no opinion. Heard the name, but that's all. Nothing else. Yeah, that's where I heard. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure, Michael. I'm not sure. He's also setting a course. I didn't know that. As I said, it was kind of familiar, but I didn't know that he's selling a course. Oh, TTT mentorship. Hmm. Fourth on Robin's Cup. Nice. That's nice. That's awesome. Oh. Okay. I wasn't sure myself. I wasn't sure. So what is this gonna do now? What is this gonna do now? Yeah, there's a gap. It should be rebalancing it, most likely. And then who knows? Here's the rebalance. Exactly. By the way, I did notice that. I mean, I'm studying as much as I can other stuff, but not that I want a strategy hop, but exactly. Exactly. Michael perfectly said there. There's a lot of stuff that can make you money in the markets, even just an indicator strategy or a simple trend line strategy. It doesn't have to be smart money. It can be support, resistance, trend lines, whatever you name it. You know, uh, at the end of the day, it all comes down to risk management, and that's it. It's all gonna come down to risk management. Small displacement here to the downside. Repricing immediately. Rejection up there. I mean down there. Getting back up. This one has been rebalanced, which is nice. $3,000 course. Wow. Yeah, I guess. I guess if you're learning from someone who is genuinely audited and has proof of payouts and success and all that, then I guess yeah, it's good to learn from someone who's seen everything or at least put down something on the table. Yeah, Michael. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna have the macro in like 8 minutes or so. Yeah, most likely until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard, maybe longer. We'll see if the price action will still shows us something. So I'll be here, and I'll be back in the New York session too, but still I'm watching these levels. So nice. Okay, so on this candle, okay, never mind. It's repricing everything. Okay. For now, it's pretty much efficient. There's gonna be a 3-minute fair value gap, but no structure shift. The macro, well, usually 10 minutes before every hour. So in Eastern Standard Time, that would be like 2:50, 3:50, 4:50 a.m. Eastern Standard. Okay, that's been swept. We still have some levels. This is the mini. Asia low, nothing special, and we have the new day opening gap, of course, which has been repriced but has not been rebalanced yet. But that doesn't really mean anything. One more leg down on the 1 minute. Yeah, macro incoming in 3 minutes. I don't even know what to expect from it. It can sweep some lows like below 76, I guess. Or it can also spike up there. Less than 2 minutes. Still no gap or displacement. It's just taking the stairs now, grinding lower. I think it's distribution, so it sweep higher and then go lower. That could be also a case. Yeah, that could be a possible scenario. Anyway, still watching it. No displacement yet that I like. And the 5 minute is pretty much acting as if it would be at a support area. Need 2 more days of 550 profit for first payout. Let's go, Steam. You can do it. I know. Oh, we're closing the 4 a.m. candle. Okay, we have the macro right now. Not sure if that's going to do anything. Maybe it will. Maybe it's going to continue to the hourly order block. So far, it's just unplugged. Yeah, wait for 5 a.m. open. That would be interesting. Oh, yeah, sure, Michael. Thank you so much for being here. See you later. See you later. Nothing that I like here so far. Just ranging. Almost looks like a bit of a bearish flag here on the 1 minute, but you know. The small little line here. Obviously not a perfect one. but what's going on? Something moving or what? Nowadays it's seemingly happening like after 5 a.m. comes the quote-unquote real move or opposing move. But never mind. That's for an interesting level. Oh. Thank you, Camille. Thank you. That's flattering. Thank you. Oh, wow, look at that. You have a candle now. Popping some orders here. Yeah, but nothing. I mean, there's a 3-minute gap here. Sure. That's true. 3-minute gap. Might want to go higher. Okay, so there's a 3-minute gap. It might want to use it to push it again to the top, back to 907. Repriced it immediately on the 1 minute. So basically, it closed above, so very good chance that it might pop again to the top. I mean, nothing on the 1 minute, but that was an interesting level. On the 5 here. I mean 3, sorry. Institutional. Could have been. Yeah. Now it all comes down if so we have this bearish flag thing or whatever. Question is, I mean, look at that relative vehicle lows. Are there orders below 80 or not? I would be curious about that. We have almost 2 minutes until 5. It's wiggling around a bit at this level. Nissim, what's going on? Good to see you. How you doing, Nissim? Still didn't go below the 80. That's interesting. Here we go. Let's see, we are bearish. Very good. Awesome. Awesome. Need to close below 61.10. Oh yeah. Yeah. Trying to see some levels here on the 5 minute. It's getting closer to that imbalance at 63.75 on the mini. We have the 5 a.m. now. Looks interesting. I mean, this level. Looks very interesting. Previous day high acting as possible support here. Top break up 1 hour and go down. I don't know. When you highlight the fair value gap, that's in the manipulation leg up. You expand that. Oh, that was the bounce to go lower. I see. Okay. I get stopped out twice. I open another short. Art, hey, good to see you. Don't we have a 3-minute bearish breaker? Yeah, I was watching that too on the 3-minute. Look at that. Here. But it didn't really shift the structure on the 3-minute. It created a fair value gap, but I mean, technically here, the wicks actually, if we go with the wicks, that actually was a breaker. So technically it is a breaker. So that's a 3-minute breaker. Enter here, you know, target down there. Could be. Ever watch counter from Zusi? No. Oh, no, I didn't. Masterclass. Wow. I haven't watched anything from him. I just don't get it. What's the point of this price action here? Pretty much ranging. Hmm. Anyway, as much as I want to do something here, this is just a hot mess of steaming pile of bull, you know, and I don't like it. All right, I'm gonna call it here, guys. I don't see anything that I like here. So, a little bit down, not too much. I'm gonna be continuing in the New York session. I'm going to the gym. I'm not doing anything here. Going to the gym and be back for New York session. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll be trading on the Take Profit Trader and the MyFundedFutures accounts in the New York session. If you would like to support the channel, please use the Tom Sabo code for most of these prop firms, except Tradeify. I don't have a custom code. I don't know why, but still, if you're looking for the best discounts, check out the Milestone account with MyFundedFutures Instant Funded. Also have something at Tick Trader and Take Profit Trader, 50% off. Bulenox and Apex is not doing a big sale now, but still. Anyway, thank you so much. See you guys in New York. All right. Cheers. God bless. I pushed the wrong button. I wanted to push this. Cheers, everyone.